Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cleveland for 8 nautical miles northeast of Sheboygan, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. The National